students, welcome back in this new video. In this video we discussing about the question answer related to database management system. This is important for the view of examination. The first question is, what is DBMS? The DBMS stands for Database Management System. The correct answer is, a database management system is a program that controls creation, maintenance and use of database. Database can be terminated as a file manager that manages data in a database rather than saving it in the file systems. The second question is, what is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relation Database Management System. RDBMS stores the data into the collection of tables, which is related by common fields between the columns of the tables. It also provides relation operator to manipulate the data stored into the tables. Example, SQL Server. The next question is, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language and it is used to communicate with the database. This is a standard language used to perform tasks such as interpretation and declaration of data from a database. Standard SQL commands are selected. Next question is fourth. What is database? Database is nothing but an organized form of data for easy access, storing, retrieval and managing of data. This is also known as the structured form of data which can be accessed in many ways. The example is a school management database. Second example is bank management database. So there is many examples of database. The next question is, what are tables and fields? A table is a set of data that are organized in a model with columns and rows. Columns can be categorized as a vertical and rows are horizontal. A table has a specified number of columns called fields but can have any numbers of rows, which is called record. Example, table employee, field EMP-ID, EMP name and date of birth and David. Okay, the next question is, what is primary key? A primary key is a combination of fields which is uniquely specify a row. This is a special kind of unique key and it has implicit not null constraint. It means primary key value cannot be null. Next question is, what is a unique key? A unique key concentrates unequally identified each record in the database. This provides uniqueness for the column or set of columns. A primary key concentrate has automatic unique concentrate defined on it, but not in the case of unique key. There can be many unique concentrate defined per table, but only one primary key concentrate defined per table. Even important question answer related to database management system that is come in examination and it is very important. Then this is the first part of database management important question series. The second part is coming soon. And please share this video with your friends in your college.